Hello and welcome. We are about to do an amazing experiment with the four things on the table: a soap bottle, a cotton swab, and a plate with some water on it and some crushed paper sprinkled on the water. We now put a dab of soap on a cotton swab and just put it in the water. See what happens. Why did the paper move away from the middle? All because of the surface tension gradient. Surface tension is a property that indicates how strongly the water molecules are attached to each other. Soap reduces the surface tension of water locally, lower in the middle, and higher near the rim. Spatial gradient of surface tension is stress that moves water from the regions of lower surface tension to regions of higher surface tension. The same effect, flow of liquid metal due to local surface tension difference, also explains why the liquid metal flows from the middle of the pool to its rim when we do welding or additive manufacturing. More about that in another video in this space. Thank you very much for watching.